Good morning, students. Let's start our today's topic. Today, we will learn basic computer operations and operating system. Students, computer hardware and software are interdependent on each other. We know it. If any of these is not functioning properly, a computer is of no use. In this video, we will learn the process to start a computer and know about software and its types. Okay, it will also gives an overview of the commonly used operating system. Procedure for starting a computer. When we start a computer, the booting process begins, which initially checks whether all the hardware and software installed on the computer are working properly or not. It also loads all the files needed to run a system. The next step in the booting process is called post power on self test. This test checks the functioning of all the connected hardware including primary and secondary storage devices. On passing post, the contents of CMOS complementary metal oxide semiconductor chip are checked. It is a small amount of memory on the motherboard that stores BIOS, basic input output system settings. The primary function of BIOS is boot up an operating system on the computer. BIOS includes the instructions to load basic computer hardware. It is responsible for accessing and configuring the system setting like password, date and time. Once all the steps of BIOS get completed, the operating system is loaded into the RAM. Okay, the operating system executes the pre-configuration startup routine to define user configurations. Once the booting process gets over, we can log into the computer with a username and a password. The desktop of the operating system appears and we can start working on the computer using the required software applications. Procedure for shutting down a computer. When we shut down a PC, the following things happens. Means if a program contains unsaved data, we are promoted to save it. Means we will get a message, do you want to save the uh, changes? All the opens application programs get closed. The operating system shut down by closing its programs, service and processes. The power management hardware turns off the power. We can turn off the computer's power now. Operating system. What is operating system? An operating system is the first software that gets loaded into the computer memory while booting, and it acts as a medium between a user and the interface. Computer, being a machine, cannot do anything on its own. It requires specific instructions on how to perform each and every task. The instructions are to be converted into a language which a machine understands. It means that the user cannot communicate with the computer directly. We require an interface between the user and the hardware. The operating system acts like that interface. The operating system is just like the principal of our school. The principal has various responsibilities regarding the management of the school, like supervising student, teachers and workers, maintaining discipline, analyzing examination schedules, timetables, curriculum, meeting parents and visitors. In the same way, a number of services are provided by an operating system. Imagine what will happen if there is no principal in a school. Everything will become unorganized. Similarly, in the computer, uh, if the operating system is not working in a computer, it will not be able to perform any operations. Some popular operating system we have: Windows, Mac operating system, Linux or disk operating system, DOS. Functions of operating system: to manage and share the hardware and software resources of a computer, to provide an interface to the user to communicate with the computer, to communicate with each application or interactive users about the status of operations and every error that may have occurred, to secure the system and block unauthorized access to the system. Types of operating system: single user operating system. These operating system could support only one user to do one thing at a time. Means only one user can operate the computer system. Graphical user interface: the operating system is graphical based and interactive in nature, like Windows operating system, Mac OS, Linux. Means everything is available in the form of pictures and icon. No need to learn, and we can get what we see. जो भी हमें दिख रहा है easily, it's depend on our click. Multi-user operating system. Multi-user operating system allows more than one user to use the same computer at the same time. Examples: Linux, Unix, Microsoft Windows 2000 onward. Multitasking operating system: the ability to perform more than one task at the same time is called multitasking operating system. Multi-threading operating system: these are the operating system which allow different parts of an application or program to run simultaneously, like Microsoft Windows, Linux, Windows 2000 onwards, Linux. Okay, these are the types of operating system. Disk operating system: disk operating system is a type of system software that runs from a hard disk drive. It is a command line operating system where a user need to type the command for every action to be performed on the computer. We need to learn everything. Means the file if we have created, we need to learn of the file name. If we have forget the name of the file, then we can't open the same file. But in GUI, everything is available in the form of icons, and we can get it. Disk operating system can support multiple directories, networking, enhanced memory management, text editing functions, disk compressions, and fragmentations. Okay. However, its command line utility makes it difficult for beginners to use. It is very difficult for beginners. Disk operating system doesn't support multiple users or multitasking, uh, as it can run only one program at a time. Now we have Linux. Linux is the operating system that is open source and free. It was developed by Linux Torvalds in the year 1991. Linux is a open source software. Okay, Linux has become the most popular alternative to other costly operating system due to its amazing features like portable, multi-user, multitasking, shell programming, open source and free, hierarchical file system, security. We can see the Linux window. This is the Linux desktop. Desktop means whenever we open the Linux, the first window of the Linux, that is we can see here. The first screen that appears covering the entire screen with the two bars, one on its top and other on its left. Two bar here we can see is called the desktop. The image in the background is known as desktop wallpaper. The small labeled pictures or symbols present on the desktop is called the icons. It is similar to the wallpaper, and icon is similar to the Windows first screen, Windows desktop. Menu bar. The menu bar is a long horizontal bar located at the top of the desktop. It includes common functions used in Ubuntu. Indicator area. On the right side of the menu bar lies the indicator area, which shows clock, calendar, speaker, volume. Launcher. Launcher is the vertical bar on the left side of the desktop. We can add commonly used program which can be opened easily whenever required. The dash. It is the topmost icon on the launcher and has Ubuntu logo on it. इसी के ऊपर Ubuntu logo होता है डैश बार के ऊपर. And its function is similar to the start menu of Windows. When we click on dash icon, a window opens up towards its right. This window has a search bar at the top and the icon of recently used applications, files, and downloaded items at the top. Next we have window. Means Microsoft Windows is a series of graphical user interface GUI operating system which are developed, marketed and sold by Microsoft. We know it. Windows operating system was the first graphical user interface for IBM compatible PCs, which soon dominated the PC market. Features of Windows 7. It is very easy to use. Multitasking, searching made easier, pinning to taskbar, arrow pick, live taskbar, preview, jump list on start menu. These features we are using each and every day. Starting window. When we switch on the computer, window starts automatically and displays a welcome message. Okay, it is followed by the first screen of Windows known as desktop. It contains some graphical symbols like icons. Desktop, the word desktop is derived from the real life desktop, the top of our working table, where we may find pen stand, notepad, calculator files, etc. The desktop of Windows also serves the same purpose. We can find various icons like object shortcut icons, file icon, folder icon are available here. Taskbar is a long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop. It has the start button on the extreme left side. The middle section of the start shows button which are labeled for each of the opened applications and allows us to quickly switch between them. Like quick launch bar is present and on the right side of the start button on the taskbar. Notification area also present at right side of the taskbar, includes a clock and group of icons that provide status and notification about things like updates, network connectivity, and incoming mails, battery volumes, etc. Show desktop is present on the extreme right of the taskbar. Simply placing cursor on the button minimize all the open windows and shows the desktop. We can see the icons of the taskbar here. The start button is probably the most frequently used component of the Windows desktop. When we click on the start button, a menu displays the major applications appears. Means all the applications we can see when we click on the start buttons. And the applications like documents, picture, music, games, computer, control panel, device and printers, default programs, help and support. Shut down your computer. Click on the start button and select the shutdown button at the bottom of the right pane. The system gets shut down. Icon. Small graphical symbol displayed on the desktop are called icons. Windows uses many objects that have specific functions such as files, programs, computer, folders, network neighborhood, network shortcuts, and recycle bin. Icon plays a very important role in graphical user interface. Some important icons are computer, means double click on this icon to explore your computer. It opens the icons to explore all your hard drive and displays a sidebar that contains favorite libraries and computer icons. फेवरेट में क्या होता है बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट a Windows 7 favorite for internet and explorer are saved in the drive C username favorite and folders. Libraries. A library is the reference to one or more folders on your computer and the files found inside those folders. Computer. Complete information regarding the system drives and other peripheral can be viewed under computer. Network. This icon allows you to access the shared resources such as files and printer. Recycle bin में recycle bin is used for Windows computer to store deleted items, shortcut files and folders. The Windows desktop contains Shortcut icons of various files, folders, and programs. Uh, Mobile operating system. Mobile operating system, which operating system we use in our mobile, known as mobile operating system. Mobile operating system, also known as mobile operating system, it is particularly designed to operate smartphones, PDAs, personal assistant, work as a personal assistant, tablets, and other mobile devices. Mobile operating systems is a software which provide platform on which other programs or applications can run on mobile devices. There are various kind of mobile operating system used in smartphones such as BlackBerry, Android, okay, Symbian, Windows mobile system. Android operating system. Android means, Android is the world's most popular uh, mobile operating system. It is an open source platform initially developed by Android Incorporations in October 2003 and later on purchased by Google Incorporation in 2005. The green robot is the logo for the Android operating system. Symbian operating system. Symbian is a mobile operating system which is specially created for smartphones. Symbian was originally developed by Symbian Limited and is currently maintained by uh, Accenture. Symbian was primarily used by Nokia and was also used by many major mobile phones brands like Samsung, Motorola, and Sony Ericsson's. Okay, iOS. iOS is a mobile operating system developed by Apple. I operating system. It is the world's most advanced mobile operating system. It was originally released in 2007 and is used to run the iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch. Okay. Then Windows mobile operating system. It is the most operating system. Uh, it is the mobile operating system developed by Microsoft for smartphone and mobile devices based on the Windows CE kernel. It is designed to look and operate similar to desktop versions of Microsoft Windows. It has given a window new dimensions to emailing and documentation, means operate like a computer system. कॉमन डेस्कटॉप ऑपरेशंस. डेस्कटॉप ऑपरेशंस कौन कौन से होते हैं? द विंडोज 7 डेस्कटॉप प्रोवाइड various features to control and manage its appearance, like managing wallpaper, right click a small part on the desktop and choose personalize. The control panel personalization then appears. Click on the desktop background options along with the Windows button left corner. Click any of the pictures. Windows 7 quickly places it onto your desktop background. Click the browse button and click a file from inside your personal picture folder. Click save changes and exit the background window when we are satisfied with the choices. Managing screensaver. A screensaver is a computer application that blanks the screen of the computer when it is inactive or fills it with images or patterns to avoid phosphor burn in on plasma and CRT cathode ray tube monitors. Write the processes. Right click a blank part of the desktop and choose personalize. um, then choose uh, screensaver icon from the bottom of the screen. Under screensaver, in the drop down list, click the screensaver we want to use. Click preview to see what your chosen screen saver will look like. Click on OK. Setting up date and time. We can set the date and time. Okay, click on the clock icon tray at the bottom right side of the computer. This should show the clock, date and calendar. Click on change date and time. Okay, date and time menu available, means also available. Start control panel, date and time. From here we can also choose. Click on change time zone, and we can set the date and time according to the need. Volume control. The volume control icon is displayed on the bottom right corner of the Windows 7, used to control the volume and all volume of all types of sound output. So students, we have completed this topic. Thank you.